everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you guys know what is my favorite subject? Science. What I like more about science? Science experiment. So today, I will be doing a science experiment. It's a bread molding experiment. And the aim of this experiment is which bread will mold grow on first. So I have 4 breads. I have Ziploc bags to place them in. So first what I'll do is I'll take a little bit of water, sprinkle it on the bread, 2 of the bread, and then I'll place it in the Ziploc bag. One of them will be placed in the fridge, one of them will be placed in normal room temperature. Then the dry breads, one of the dry bread will be placed in the fridge, and the other dry bread will be placed in room temperature. So I'll be doing that now. I'm going to take a little bit of water, sprinkle a little bit of bread. Okay. So now that I'm going to open one of the Ziploc bags. And place in. Okay guys, now I will be using tape and then I'll be writing on it and paste it in every Ziploc bag so I wouldn't know which one is which and I won't get confused. So I'm gonna take dry fridge and a moist fridge. Okay, moist and room temperature. So guys, I finished pasting the tape, and what I will be doing is I'll be taking day 1, day 2, day 3 of all these breads. So this is obviously day 1 of the bread, no mold at all. We'll be waiting till day 2 and we'll see which bread will have mold first. We'll be keeping track of it, and if like a few don't have any more mold, then we'll wait another day to see if mold will grow. So, see you guys in day 2. Guys, this is day 2 and the moist room temperature bread does not have mold, as well as the dry room temperature bread. And the bread which are in the fridge also have no mold. We didn't bring them because we don't want them to get warmed up because of the room temperature, the normal temperature. So, guys, this is the 5th day of the bread mold experiment. This is the moist one, this is the dry one. At room temperature, the ones in the fridge does not have mold. These ones also do not have mold on both sides. It's already day 5, so I think the bread might be a little too fresh, and that is why no mold is growing till day 5. So I'll see you guys maybe in a few more days or until the mold comes in any one of these. Guys, I have great news. There's mold on the moist one. This is the moist room temperature bread, and there is mold right here. Can't really see clearly, but there is mold in that one. The dry one doesn't really have any mold yet. Flip it around. There's no mold. And over here, only just one corner. There's only mold on one corner. We'll see this after a few days. The mold probably would have spread it to the other areas of the bread. And for this one, we'll see when this bread will have mold. And today's the 13th day. On the 13th day, there's mold on the moist one. And the dry one, we'll see when the dry one will get it. The ones in the refrigerator still haven't gotten mold, so yeah. Everyone, this is the next day and look at it. Look at it. There's bread mold here and on top. That's a lot. And it's the moist one. Well, for the dry one, it still doesn't have anything. But the moist one, look at that. That is a lot. I'll see you guys the next day. One, it is day 20. The moist room temperature one has loads and loads of mold. It also has a little bit of white growing on it. And here there's a lot of mold on this area over here. But unfortunately, the one in the fridge, this is the dry one which was in the fridge. This does not have mold. The moist one does not have mold at all. And the dry one also does not have mold. From all these, we can actually tell that the moist one at room temperature is the one that can grow, that mold can grow on. So, we can actually conclude that mold needs 3 things to grow. Food, which is in here. The bread is the food for the mold. Moisture, which is why I wrote moist over here, because we sprinkled a little bit of water. So that's moist. So there's 2 things. The third thing is warmth. The temperature has to be warm. Not too cold. If it is cold, but still moist, there's no mold. Only if it is at room temperature will mold grow on it. So yeah. We decided to stop the experiment because it has been many days and none of them have mold, as well as if you can actually see mold only on this one, and there's a lot of it, and ants are starting to crawl all over this. So I decided to stop the experiment from now. And yeah, so see you guys in the next video.